Students, in this video we are going to see exercise 4.4 question number 2. dy by dx plus y into cos x is equal to sin x into cos x. So clearly this is a linear differential equation because it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So what is p if you compare? P is nothing but cos x. And what is q? Q is nothing but sin x into cos x. So to find out the solution, you should find out integrating factor first. So integrating factor IF is equal to, this is the formula, e power integral p dx. So e power integral p is nothing but cos x dx. So integral of cos x is nothing but sin x. So your integrating factor is e power sin x. Now what is the solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So let's write down the integrating factor now. Y into integrating factor, which is e power sin x, is equal to integral of q. Q means sin x into cos x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power sin x dx plus c. Okay. So now from this, as you see here, integral of sin x, cos x and e power sin x. So since we have three terms, let us use substitution method here. Okay, let us take substitution method, because if I take t as sin x, now if I differentiate dt, so what is dt? Derivative of sin x is cos x dx. Okay, so now this is the one that we are going to use here. So y into e power sin x is equal to integral of sin x. What is sin x? Sin x is nothing but t. Even here also, if you want, you can take e power t, because sin x we are substituting with t. E power t integral t into, now here cos x dx. So cos x dx is nothing but dt, right? So cos x dx is nothing but dt into e power sin x. So e power sin x we are considering as t. So this can be written as e power sin x can be written as e power t. Okay. So e power t into e power t dt. So now clearly this is by using integration by parts. So what is the integration by parts formula? Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, integration by parts. Now what is u and v? What to be taken as u is by means of isolate. The preference for u is isolate. Okay, so from this isolate, according to the isolate, now t is an algebraic term, e is nothing but exponential term. So since t is an algebraic term, a comes first. Let us take u as t now. So u you consider it as t. So therefore for u, if you differentiate, t derivative will become dt. Then integral dv is nothing but integral of e power t dt. So integral dv means 1 dv. Integral 1 dv is nothing but v is equal to e power t. Integral e power t is e power t. Now y into e power t is equal to, I am applying integral u dv formula here. So this is the formula, u into v. What is u into v? U is nothing but t into v. V is nothing but e power t minus integral of v into du. V means e power t into du. Du is nothing but dt. Integration by parts. So y into e power t is equal to t into e power t minus integral of e power t. Integral of e power t is nothing but e power t and some constant called c. So y into e power t is equal to, take e power t common. So we will get it as t minus 1 plus c. So by the end, we have to replace t. What is t? T is nothing but sin x. Okay, so t is nothing but sin x. So by the end, you have to substitute in place of t. So e power sin x is equal to e power sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c. Always you remember, whenever we do the substitution method, by the end t should be replaced by that particular value, whatever that we have considered. So the final answer is y into e power sin x is equal to e power sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c is the solution.